What's up, guys? Again, we're getting the car ready for SEMA. We're almost done. Just cleaning it up real quick. George's car's back here. I wanted to go ahead and get something done to the car. The last thing that's gonna go on the car before we completely say we're good to go. So that's actually gonna be the fire extinguisher from H3R Performance. So I want to go ahead and talk a little bit about it so that way you guys can see what it is that I'm using and definitely why you want one of these. So this is what we have. I already started on it. So we have the H3R extinguisher, the Halgard extinguisher here. And I got it in chrome. I actually also got the universal mount and the quick release. So the reason why I went with the H3R Halgard extinguisher is because it actually has a couple things different from a lot of these other ones. So first of all, this one actually has it's a clear agent, the Halgard, and what that means is that it's going to go ahead and spray, and when it does so, it's a clean spray. It's not going to go ahead and throw that white powdery substance that gets all over the car and then creates the huge mess, along with also endangering your electronics depending on where this is going to go ahead and extinguish. Now, another thing, and a big thing, is that this actually, if you notice back here, you'll kind of see it, but it has UL approval. And the thing about UL approval means that it's quality, means that it's safe to have, and definitely is going to go ahead and take care of anything that you need. So definitely something you want to go ahead and check out. We're going to go ahead and put this onto my Veloster N here in a couple moments. That way you guys can see what it's like to put that on there. All right, so we got everything lined up here with George. So we got the extinguisher right over here. Here's the universal mount that goes on the seat. So we pretty much got all the nuts and bolts laid out. See the actual bracket there. That part slides in and out to fit the car. We're going to go ahead and see which one of these we're going to need to put on the actual car. I think we're going to use the bigger ones. And then we have everything else laid out here. So we're going to go ahead and build this real quick and come back. Alright guys, so far we've gotten it in here, mocked it up, kind of want to see where it was going to go, but there's one problem just with me. So I'm 5'5", 5'6", depending on the shoes I wear. So if I go ahead and put it at my seating position here, which this is actually not my seating position, the bar here to have the seat go forward and back is going to hit the extinguisher. So what I'm going to do is, because I almost never have a passenger, but when I do, passenger seat is a little more relaxed, and I'm the one that needs the actual position to drive. I'm going to go ahead and put it in the passenger seat. But as you can see, it's real easy. Here, it's a T50, or we ended up using a 10 mil to get this out with the multi-teeth, to get that out. And extend these as much as I could, but it just wasn't working out for my height. So let's see. Yep, it just won't do it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the passenger seat and we'll be all squared away. All right guys, so I went ahead and mocked it up here in the passenger side. Works out a lot better, at least than the Veloster N. That allows me to bring the seat up right to it. Still plenty of space in the back, and it still allows for quick and easy control to get it out, just in case anything happens. So again, what we have here is the fire extinguisher from H3R with Halgard. Again, that's a clean agent. So if you've ever seen, and I'll put a clip in here, videos of when you use a regular extinguisher with the white powdery substance. That leaves a big mess for you to clean up, and also can go ahead and harm any of the electronics because of the corrosive stuff that's in it. Now, the bracket that we put in here is made out of fiberglass with reinforced nylon, so it's definitely going to be strong. Quick release that we have here definitely allows you to get this taken care of quickly. So we'll go ahead and pull the tab, and it's out that quick. And a lot of the different governing bodies that deal with racing, like the NHRA, require that, and this one is actually approved for NHRA and all those other racing governing bodies that do that. So that's how we went ahead and installed the fire extinguisher here from H3R. And as you can see, I'll go ahead and put it back in here. Quick and easy. Done. So that's how it is. Go ahead and make sure that if you're in SEMA, you go check out the vehicle. It's going to be at the Zendex GoJack booth 11455. You'll be able to check out the whole entire setup here for the H3R system with the extinguisher, the quick release, and the universal mounting bracket. So go ahead and check that out. Leave comments down below. See what you guys think. What do you guys want me to do next to the car? I'll probably have another video or so coming up with the vehicle at SEMA. See you guys later.